దగ్గర ఈ డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ 89 క్లబ్లకు గవర్నర్ గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, సమయానికి వచ్చారు.
మేడం 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 దగ్గర
Guest RCB Margaret and other dignitaries, AV College Management. Good afternoon, students of Leo Club, newly started Leo Club. Good afternoon to everyone. Thank you for AV College Management. First of all, they are always supporting us for Senior Citizens Day celebrations. Every year, they are providing campus for our Senior Citizen Day celebration, and they have given place for e-waste collection center also, and they are supporting. They are part of e-waste collection. Thank you, madam. Thank you for your support. And now we have started a Leo Club also. Welcome to Leoism. Congratulations to all Leos. 35 members are come, and more all also welcome. 100 and more members also better. There is a lot of opportunities. So our club, Lions Club of Hyderabad, Everest, will cooperate with you in all positions. Today, main theme is our e-waste collection center. So today, last 1 month, we are collected so much of e-waste from different centers, 50 places. This is the main center. We are permanently using this for 1 year total. Thank you for this cooperation, madam. Thanks for, and thank you for this opportunity. Thank you, one and all. Please support e-waste collection, and please attend Leo installation also shortly we are organizing. Thank you. Thank you.
Very distinguished academicians present here from AV College, my colleague, Lion leaders, and young friends. We are at a point of time as Lions to be very immensely delighted to have been associated with one of the most esteemed institutions. Man, we would like to, at the very outset, express our profound gratitude to you for having given us the opportunity once again to partner with your most esteemed. 2nd of October, and your college is synonymous in Lions, because year after year we've been celebrating the Senior Citizens Day. That's one day that brings all of us together to spend a full day here, and the kind of satisfaction we derive when we see the smiles on the faces of those seniors. It's a feeling of happiness that you've been well utilizing your time to share happiness. Comes another opportunity, this time in the form of eliminating e-waste as much as we can. You were very right, man. You talked about environment, which is not just a global concern. It's not just one of the priority areas of the United Nations, but it is also about the future legacy we would leave for our younger generations. God has been kind to us. We received this earth in a much better form than we would pass it on. And we are all witness to the depletion of the ozone layer. The ozone layer which protects the earth is getting depleted by the day. As a result of which you find global warming, you find hazards that are also causing difficulties to not just our own lifestyle, even to the extent of flora and fauna. There's so much of damage that happens. So Lions of India have embarked on a very large campaign. It is being considered as the world's largest e-waste campaign. In every house that we all come from, no matter which house we belong to, there is some e-waste lying there. And the carbon and the other oxidants that get accumulated because of this e-waste, and when this emanates into the air, we are not aware of the implications it's caused. Your esteemed institution and to our students, we would like to convey our grateful thanks for your support. 2 trucks of e-waste, I'm told about 2 tons leaving from this college premises, is not just going to be a small thing for us. We're going to share this video to the whole country with a lot more colleges to say that if AV College has done it, why can't you do it? And that way we would model with other colleges. Our initiative was a 1-month launch, but our effort would be permanent because this has now become a part of our responsibilities. And I'm so delighted to see all the young leaders here. Very immensely delighted once again to learn that a new Leo Club is being formed in your college. LEO, as you're aware, stands for Leadership, Experience and Opportunity. If there's no leadership, how can we reflect quality experience that will take care of our careers in future? And when leadership and experience are bundled together, they blend together, they reflect in the form of opportunities like never before. 50 years ago, I was a member of a Leo Club. 47 years ago, I was a president of a Leo Club. I learned my public speaking skills, my debating skills at a Leo Club. I was traveling all over the world, and I still remember the prize I won in Australia when I went to participate in a debating competition. And I owed that prize. Debating against Australians in Australia is not an easy thing. But then it's thanks to Leo Club that gave you this opportunity. And that's how I think you all must get associated with Leo Club. We have a wonderful pledge. And that pledge guides lives, not just guides the Leo Club. It guides lives of young people. And every senior person, everyone who's got children at home,
opportunity to be someone who doesn't just live for himself, but who thinks of others in the society. These people, your guru, our Leo coordinators, we will all try to make you better citizens. We will try to make you more responsible citizens. Because there are gurus to everyone. For example, even for a pickpocket, there is a guru. Even for a terrorist, there is a guru. But then what's the difference between that guru and these gurus? The difference is they are taking you to the right path. Because yours is an age where you have got a lot of enthusiasm, you've got a lot of energy, you want to do something. But then something AMT, what it has to be, that has to be given by seniors, by your gurus, by persons who are your role models. So if you have got good role models, then definitely you will be a better citizen. For example, Vivekananda had a good guru and a role model to follow. That is why he could raise himself to that level. But then others may not have had that kind of support, that kind of mentoring, and that is why they could not raise to that level. So it depends how you really believe in your teachers, in your mentors, and try to inculcate the best qualities they try to imbibe in you. Even another example I can give you is Duryodhana also had the same guru, Arjuna has also the same guru. There was hardly any difference in teaching of that particular guru. The guru was same, the guru was same, the teaching was same. But what happened? Beyond this teaching, there was another guru for him, that is called Shakuni. So he used to mentor him. Though the guru was common, but mentors were different. For Pandavas, it was Krishna, but for Kauravas, it was Shakuni. So again, outside these institutions also you will have got a lot of influences, particularly from family, from friends, from society. So you have to be wise enough to see who is your mentor, where he is taking to you, and how things are going on. So once you get into this kind of organization, you will start learning to do something good for the society. As right now we are conducting this e-waste program. This is the largest e-waste collection initiative in India. And we are trying to create a world record by collecting maximum possible e-waste. A lot of e-waste has been collected throughout the India, and we are in the process of transferring it to the right agency and then recording the quantity and everything, and then that will be dismantled. Why we are doing this is, what happens, either you just throw an e-waste on the road, or maybe you will sell it to a kabadiwala. But then what does it do? Someone who is not equipped to handle this e-waste, he will try to extract the metal, the plastic out of it, and sell it to their circulators. But then there are certain hazardous elements in every electronic item. And what they do is, they just throw it either on the ground or dump anywhere, or dump in the river, or either Babilo Padeskunta. So what happens? That gets into our water, that gets into our land, and our fertility of the land is damaged, is destroyed. Or the water which is underground, which normally many of us, if not in city, but particularly in villages, they are consuming the water from the ground, and they are all connected. So what they do, and animals, so it all gets into their systems and it damages them. So this is an initiative where we put everything together and see that it is the hazardous elements are segregated, and they are as per the norms given by the Government of India, they are being destroyed, reconverted and reused. Because last time also our madam was saying, we have not the problem of e-waste, but we don't know how to recycle these things, recycle the plastic, recycle the metal, recycle the hazardous elements. And that is where students like you, who should be able to help us in continuing this program and see that we make this earth worth living. It's said that we don't inherit earth or our atmosphere from our ancestors, but we have borrowed it from our future generation. And if that is the attitude we have, and if we are able to inculcate that attitude in you, definitely we will have a better place on earth to live. Thank you very much. Our chief guest is here, our past national director. Please welcome him.
Thank you, PDG and Anupur Garu, and I welcome our past internal director and Arjun Kumar Garu,
Dr. Padma, our Vice Principal Dr. Rajagundam, and our director, colleagues and dear students. I'm really glad to be collaborating with Lions Club, because one thing is, I have great respect for this club, because they have been doing a lot of social service, and now I'm very happy that our students also are on the way to becoming members. So this Leo, they are showing a nice path for our students to follow, and I'm sure in the next few years more students will take your example and will become one of the biggest Leo clubs in the city. Environment has really been very dear to me, like climate change. When I used to hear about it, I would think, oh, this will happen like 10 generations later. I won't even be able to see, neither my children nor grandchildren. But then, to our bad luck, we are seeing it right before our eyes. Seasons are not real seasons anymore. We see climatic changes. And not only that, there's a lot of effect on our lives too. We are not really realizing, but see, the farmers are being severely affected. I can say this because I've been into farming recently. Looking at this environmental change, I thought I should do a little bit to it. So I and also this waste management. Not only e-waste, even waste management is very bad. And last 2 years back, we tried to go with some waste management company. We've been back. They took our waste, there was no response, we don't know how, but now I'm very happy because Lions Club, I know, is an extremely responsible society that is also equally, I mean, this, I'm sure this initiative they take up, they do it very well. So I'm really glad that we are collaborating with them for e-waste management, because I know how hazardous e-waste. All other waste also, we're openly seeing, like, we've never heard of cancer and all the rare kind of diseases that we see. So the waste is managed properly. I'm sure we will be in a much better place. So thank you all, and I hope all of you all will realize the significance of waste management.
Okay. ఇది కనిపించేస్తా అక్కడ బ్యానర్ ఇక్కడ జరగండి వెనక్కి వెళ్తాను చూడ బాబు నువ్వే సార్ ఒకసారి ఓకే సార్ ఇంకో ఫోటో మన కబ్బుల్లో అరే నువ్వు షాడో గవర్నర్ షాడో
Good afternoon, Andy. I am Sunil Kumar. I am the past International Director of Lions Club International from Hyderabad. This is a very important program that Lions of India have embarked upon. It's called E-Waste Campaign. Dump or donate. E-waste in every house, every office, every institution is piling up, and people are not aware of the damage the e-waste can create to environment by allowing it to lie there. And Lions of India have taken up one of the largest drives in the world to collect as much e-waste and try and dispose it off in a manner that it would not hurt the environment. So it's a huge responsibility for us, and today we are all at AV College, Hyderabad, a college that has come forward, and we are grateful to AV College for their most outstanding participation. They've taken it up as a green project of their college, and Lions are truly delighted that students of AV College, very well supported by and inspired by their teachers, have been able to collect a large quantum of e-waste in the last 20 days. And today is a day when we are flagging off 3 full trucks packed with e-waste, and we are grateful to the college once again. So to every person who watches this video, my only message is give a little bit of your time to make sure that we contribute to the better environment, which will be useful for our future generations. Thank you.
The Gautami, correspondent AV College. We are really delighted to be collaborating with the Lions Club India for disposal of e-waste. Apart from just disposing e-waste, I would also request Lions Club to educate the common man about what are the hazards of e-waste because people generally are not aware. They just think there's one wire, there's a mouse, there's a charger, so just throw it. At the most, the plastic can be recycled. But today I'm very glad it's going to be disposed of in a very responsible way so that it doesn't hurt the environment. I'm also proud to say that we have a very active green committee which is doing a lot. We are even following the UN goals for sustainable development. Thank you.
ఈరోజు గత నెల 13th నుంచి మేము ఆల్ ఇండియా లెవెల్లో వేస్ట్ కలెక్షన్ డ్రైవ్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఈరోజు ఫస్ట్ ఫ్లాగ్ ఆఫ్గా ఒక 3 వెహికల్స్ మెటీరియల్ని మేము చేస్తున్నాము. ఇది ఏంటంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కరి ఇంట్లో ఉంటుంది, అవసరమైన వస్తువులు ఉంటుంది, మనకు కూడా పొల్యూటింగ్ వస్తువులు కాబట్టి వాటిని ఒక సరైన పద్ధతిలో మనం డిస్పోజ్ చేస్తున్నాము. మా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ వేస్ట్ కోఆర్డినేటర్ దేవేందర్ భండారి గారు లాస్ట్ 1 month నుంచి చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేసి దీని మీద ఫుల్ ఫ్లెడ్జ్డ్ వర్క్ చేసి ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక 10 tons వరకు మేము మొబిలైజ్ చేసాము డిఫరెంట్ ప్లేసెస్లో. ఈరోజు నుంచి ఒక 2-3 daysలో మొత్తం డిస్పోజ్ చేస్తాం. మన పురోహిత్ గారు కూడా మల్టిపుల్ కోఆర్డినేటర్ వేస్ట్, వారి సహకారం కూడా చాలా ఉంది. దీన్ని మన మల్టిపుల్లో ఉన్న అన్ని డిస్ట్రిక్ట్లు కూడా చేస్తున్నాయి. దీంట్లో నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను మా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ నుంచి హైయెస్ట్ 10 tons అండ్ అబోవ్ మొబిలైజ్ చేస్తున్నాము. దీనికి సహకరించిన సునీల్ కుమార్ గారికి, సునీల్ కుమార్ గారికి మరియు వేస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఏవి కాలేజ్ యజమాని గౌతమ్ రెడ్డి గారి వారి టీం అందరికీ కూడా కృతజ్ఞతలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
This is Manoj Kumar Purohit, multiple GST coordinator, that is Global Service Team Coordinator. We have been taken this wonderful initiative, a month-long initiative to collect e-waste, and this is the largest initiative in the world taken up by Lions International throughout our country. Everywhere we are all collecting e-waste. We are motivating students, we are educating the communities, we are trying to see that e-waste is collected and disposed of as per the government standards, and we are hiring only those companies which are into e-waste specialists, and we have motivated students of AV College and various other institutions, and we have gathered all the materials here, and throughout the Telangana and parts of Karnataka we are doing this work, and maybe by the end of the time we will be able to collect around 40 tons of e-waste in this area itself, and in India maybe 2000 or 3000 tons of e-waste within this month. But this will continue, this program will continue, and we will see that we educate general public about the hazards of e-waste and collecting this e-waste and then disposing of, recycling it in the best possible manner. Thank you very much.
My name is Lion Devendra Bandari, District Coordinator for e-waste. Thanks to my Governor, Lion Dulu Raghu from District 320A. And this e-waste I've taken as a challenge because e-waste, 15% of e-waste is recycling and 85% are being waste that is making pollution not only water, even for the air. So I have taken this as a serious this one, and I will continue for this one. And thanks to AV College for giving this praise and being a part of this e-waste collection. And here we are making a permanent e-waste collection center. Thanks to our PID Lion Arts, thanks to our multiple chairperson for Leo for e-waste, Lion Manoj Purohit garu, for coming and giving a flagging for the e-waste for 3 trucks of load. Thank you.